Welcome to the small businesses targeting option. So here's what you're going to do to get started. Start with your location. It can be as simple as a city. So if we were to put Atlanta in here, we'll select this city, and you can narrow this down based on a radius because every city generally has a service area that's slightly different than the city's parameters. So we suggest using a radius to target that very well. Once you're happy with whatever that radius covers, click add. And then you can do another one here if you wanted to. So you could do Jacksonville, Florida, if you wanted to. And same idea. Add another radius, add those in. Or you could just do the entire country. We do provide data in all primarily English-speaking countries. So we'll go to the next step, and we're going to specify the industry. So again, you're already aware that we're likely going to use Google Maps to identify these businesses. If you were searching in Google Maps, what would you put in to find that business? You'd probably combine something like plumbers Atlanta or plumbers Jacksonville. And so that's what we're going to do in this search. So the search term you give us doesn't need to be exact, because when you use Google to identify businesses, it will produce all of the different types of plumbing related businesses in that search. And we can worry about fine tuning that later in another video. So let's use plumbing for this example, and we'll click add, and you'll see a sanity check pops up. This is showing you 3 different businesses on Google Maps when we did a quick search using our system for plumbing in Atlanta. Let's go to the next step. Now, this is one of the things we've simplified in Coldlytics. Normally, it takes a long time to specify all the different job titles you'd be interested in working with. And generally, it comes down to 2 categories. One is the owner or the founder of the business. The second is the top level team. And so we have broken those down by owner, founder, and directors and executives. This encompasses your founders of the business and your CEO, C-suite, etc. And we prioritize the top level decision maker first, and then work our way down from there as needed to find you the best contacts possible in our current research. So that is all you need to do to complete this step. Next up, you're going to look at deciding between filter and the deliver step in the next video.